Hey peeps, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're already a subscriber. So I wanted to do a quick little video, just so you know, you guys. I know I used to do like a lot of talking videos. And the reason why I don't now is because my laptop, after many years of it hanging on, it finally conked out on me. So the only thing I have now is my cell phone to record, and I have a Chromebook, but they don't hold a lot of space. So the only way I can upload videos and edit them, it has to be a small. It has to be a short video. So that's why I do a lot of speeding up videos and not a lot of talking ones. So just so you know, I hope one day it'll change when I can afford to get a new laptop. But for right now, it is what it is. So I thank you for those who have stuck around and those who are new. Welcome. Anyway, so before I share, this is a journal that I put together for next year. But before I share that, I wanted to just let you guys know that I've shared these Christmas catalogs in the past. They are free. I get them in the mail. Sometimes seasonally. Sometimes I get some in the spring, especially this one. Sometimes I get it in the spring and the fall. This one sometimes comes in the fall too. I don't remember if I got these in the spring or not. But this one usually for Christmas time and fall, they usually have some of the same images in there. So I think this is new. So sometimes the images are the same, but they are very beautiful. And I love the quality of the paper is pretty thick. I won't go through the whole magazine, catalog, but it's free. I will link it down below in case you want to, sign up for the free catalog. This one as well. This is definitely new. I don't remember seeing that before. These are so cute. The paper in this one is a little bit thinner, but still really beautiful. Again, I won't go through all of them. But this page right here, oh my goodness, it just reminds me of like a cozy book nook, even though that little bench is too little for me. But I was just thinking, it's so cute the way it's set up. So I think I might use this in my December daily and put it when I document my Christmas reads or my December reads. I just have to figure out how to cut it so it doesn't cut off too much. So we'll see. But I just wanted to share that with you in case you were looking for some free ephemera for the holidays. Another thing before I get into this, I just want to share this one quick thing because some of you who work with wax melts might have this issue and probably didn't know what the issue was. So I was using the regular pot to melt with the tea light underneath. And what was happening is my spoons were getting black on the back, and it's really hard to get off. And so the wax wasn't melting because of the buildup. And I could not figure, first I thought it was the wax. I thought maybe does the wax expire or what's happening? So I end up looking for, I had wanted to get a electronic pot to melt my wax because I am terrified of open flames because when I was little, we had a fire. I don't remember what caused the fire, but I always think when I have a candle lit that what if I forget to blow it out? So I don't really like open flames. And it's just safer with Brooklyn. And so I got this and I had it for a while and I finally tested it out. It takes a little while for it to heat up, but once it heats up, oh my goodness, it's super hot. So be careful if you get this. So this is excellent. I will link it down below. It'll be a Amazon affiliate link. It does come in different colors too, so that you know. And it comes with this little metal to stir the wax. I thought it was really cute. And so to solve the whole spoon issue, I found these spoons. It comes in a pack of 3. I got 3 of them. And yeah, they are pink because I don't think they came in any other colors when I ordered them. But they have like a coating on them, like almost like a nonstick pan. So the wax pours out really nicely and it cleans really, really nice. This is the one that I used recently. And as you can see, it's really nice. There's no buildup or anything. And I guess it helps not having the open flame so this doesn't get black. But yeah, so I'm going to try my old spoons. These are older spoons that I have. I'm going to see if that works better with the electric one. This came with that pot, the electric pot, so that you know. So yeah, I'm going to see if that works. But I really, really love this non-stick one. So I just wanted to share. Let me just show you really quickly. I was trying out my, to make sure my wax still works, and they work beautifully. This is a coffee one that I did. Hopefully you can see it. And I did it orange because it'll match my fall journal, and because I'm a Dunkin's girl, and Dunkin's colors are pink and orange. I know they have ugly colors, but I like their coffee. There's a tree. And this one, I did a little gold marker, some mushrooms. And then this is another tree. I have other seals, but I was trying to go for ones that I would use in my fall journal. So my wax worked fine. So thank goodness for that. Okay, so let's get into the real reason why I wanted to do it. So this is my journal. This journal is going to be a 3 months journal. I'm going to work in it from January to March. It's very similar to my fall one. This one, I used the tutorial by 49 and 49 Dragonflies. I'll link it down below. This one, I think I used Amazon packaging, but yeah, this one I use Amazon packaging, but the other one, this one I use a brown paper bag. And I'm just really enjoying, excuse me, working in this. So yeah, I'm just going to quickly flip through it really quickly. Something that I was thinking about, this is from a Christmas book. I love that little winter scene, since the first signature will be January. I'll just go really quickly, but there's just random papers from my stash in here. Nothing, there's no rhyme or reason. Things that were left over from other things I added in here. So, what was I saying? I don't know. Oh, in my journal that I was doing before, I was doing a mood board for each month, and someone placed a comment on one of those videos when I used to do my other journal. I'm asking how I did it, and I do them on Canva, and I haven't done any since. But I think I want to do them again starting with January. So if I can figure out how to, so that's the first signature, and here's the second. If I can figure out how to do that and it not be too long, I will share that. How I do it's really easy. Canva does all the work. You just pick your pictures and just do it. You don't even have to use Canva. If you have a photo app that has collages, you could do it with that. But I just like doing it with Canva because it just comes out. I can size it to whatever size I want, and it comes out really nice. So this is some vintage wallpaper I got from Selena's shop. So yeah, just random, no rhyme or reason. So yeah, paper bag. I get a lot of these because I do my grocery shopping with Amazon Fresh. So I have a lot of bags every month when I order my groceries. So yeah, so really my favorite, this is my favorite book. I love this book, not only for the pictures, but the weight. I love the weight of it. More vintage wallpaper from Selena shop. Some music paper, kids paper. It's a good way to use up a lot of my scrapbook paper because I have tons of scrapbook paper and I need to use it. So these short pages, I will probably add a page. I think, did I miss it or did I don't know if or maybe I didn't get there yet. Oh no, I did. I passed it. Let's see. I added a page somewhere. Okay, I have to hurry up so this is not too long. Where is it? Oh, here it goes. So see one of these short pages, I added a Daphne diary page on it. So that's why I'll probably add some type of page that I can either journal on or just a decorative page. I'll probably do something on the back. So just wanted to share that. So yeah, I'll be working in this one. I don't know where I was. I think I was almost finished. I'll be working in this one next year. So once November is over, I'll be moving on to my December daily. And then after December daily, I'll be working in this one. And that's it. So what happened here is, I don't know if you can see it, but the glue seeped through because this is like that shiny fabric. So it's seeped through, but it's okay. It's my little pocket that I'm going to fill with all the things. I have so much stuff that I need to use, and so I really want to use them up in my journals. Okay, so that is it. Hope you like it. Did I tell you about the cover? This is my second time doing this video, so let me just tell you really quickly. I don't know if I told you. So the fabric is from Dollar Tree. I did some paint splatter. I don't know if you can see it here. And then I used some torn coffee dyed muslin. And then this was in my stash. And then I used some of the torn muslin and some of this lace, which is my favorite, on the spine. And then I added a little bit here with some other little scraps of lace I had, and then some buttons. So really simple, really cute, I think. And I might make a little dangle eventually, and might add some trims on here, fun stuff. So that's it, you guys. Hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and comment below. Even a little emoji helps my little channel. So thank you so much. I truly appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till next time, have a great one. Bye.